Alright guys, today we have Lego Ninjago. This set is ages 6 to 14 and it's number 70621 and the title name is Vermillion Attack and it has 83 pieces. It's really cool because you could collect these blades and there are 4 of them and there's 1 out of 4. So let's open this set up. Set has 2 bags and instructions. So let's build this set. These things are hard to open. Let's open this set and build it. And I want to see how cool it is. Alright, we're done, so we're gonna check out the back of the box. And you press right here, it launches the egg of snakes. Here's what the hand blade actually looks like. And the blade actually goes right here. And you have to put the snakes in. I think they're slithering around because there's so much of them. So it goes like this. And all you have to do is push this over and then this pops up. And my favorite character is Kai, of course, because he's the good guy. And I like his suit because there's a bunch of detail. And this is all I know about this set. And I hope I see you next time. Bye.